Welcome to the K5 Dashcam installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing both the front and rear cameras of your K5 Dashcam. Step 1. Installing front camera. First, connect the K5 Dashcam to the power cord and camera cable, and insert the Dashcam's power cable into the OBD interface. The red wire is ACC, the yellow wire is BAT, and the black wire is GND. Detailed installation steps can be found in related videos. Finally, use a 3M adhesive pad to secure the K5 Dashcam to the front windshield. Step 2. Installing the rear camera. First, open the trunk and locate the reverse light connector, which has 3 wires. Before taking any measurements, connect the rear camera's cable. The red wire on the cable will be used to connect to the vehicle's reverse light signal wire. Next, use a multimeter to identify the correct wire. Attach the black probe of the multimeter to a grounding point, usually a metal surface, and use the red probe to measure the voltage. During testing, shift the vehicle into R gear mode. The reverse light connector should show a voltage of approximately 13 volts. Then, shift into D gear mode. The voltage should drop to nearly 0 volts. This confirms that the red wire on the vehicle side is the reverse signal wire. Finally, use a wire stripper to expose the copper wire on the rear camera's red cable and connect it to the vehicle's reverse light signal wire. After installation, use a 3M adhesive pad to mount the rear camera in a suitable position inside the trunk. Then, test the K5 Dashcam's functionality. In D gear mode, the Dashcam will automatically switch to the front camera. In R gear mode, it will switch to the rear camera. Additionally, the K5 Dashcam supports voice control.
Show front camera.
That will be awesome.
Show rear camera.
That will be a speed test.
Show all camera.
That will